In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user story in Jira. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can quickly add a story to your project backlog. A user story is typically used to capture a piece of work from the user's perspective, so creating it clearly from the beginning makes it much easier for your team to understand, prioritize, and work on later. To begin, open your Jira project and go to the area where you want to create the new item. Once you're there, click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll define the details of your new user story. Next, find the work type field. This field controls what kind of issue you're creating, and it's important to choose the correct type so the item is tracked properly in Jira. Click on Work Type to open the list of available options. From that list, select Story. This tells Jira that the issue you're creating is a user story rather than a task, bug, or another issue type. Choosing the right type helps keep your board and reporting organized, especially if your team uses agile workflows. After that, enter the summary. The summary should be short but specific because it becomes the main title of the story. A clear summary helps everyone quickly understand what the story is about without needing to open it first. Try to make it descriptive enough that it stands on its own. Then enter the description. This is where you can provide more context about the story, including what needs to be done and any important background information. In many teams, this is also where the user story is written in a structured format, along with any notes that help explain the goal more clearly. The more useful and readable this section is, the easier it will be for teammates to act on it. Once that's done, fill in the other fields that appear in the form. Depending on your Jira setup, these might include things like priority, assignee, labels, sprint details, epic link, or other project-specific information. Take a moment to review these fields carefully, since completing them now can save time later and help the story land in the right place. When everything looks good, click on Create Again to finish. Jira will then generate the new user story and add it to your project. And that's it. You've successfully created a user story in Jira. If you want cleaner planning and better collaboration, taking an extra moment to write a clear summary and description can make a big difference.